Guys, what's going on? It's Mark. Check this out. I gotta make this video short and quick because my phone just popped up that sign for the overheating light. This, I wish I could do another accelerating video, whatever. But this, wow, I feel lightheaded. It's so hot out. This is a 2001 Ford F-350 Lariat, long 7.3 liter long bed 4x4. 4.5 inch or something suspension kit. 35, 12, 50, 18 inch Nitto Trail Grappler MT tires. 18 by 12 Moto Metal 970s. My phone cut off. Runs and drives good for its age. It does have scratches and dents. It's got 234,890 miles on it. Leather seats have been redone. Don't fit the greatest, but they are new. It's got the center console fold down. Tuned, 5-position switch, boost gauges and everything. And hey guys, sorry once again, I'm having a little bit of trouble with the heat going on and my phone overheating. But anywho, super nice 7.3 here. Runs and drives great. Tuned, has the 5-position switch. Nice little suspension kit on it. 18-inch wheels, 35, 12, 50, 18-inch tires, like I was saying. 5-position switch. It's got a turbo back exhaust system. New remanufactured injectors. Passenger and driver seat are new also, new leather. Starts up, runs and drives every time. If you guys have any questions, hit me up. Hope you like the video.